This is a lifted 2500 diesel 2023 AT4 with 67,000 miles on it. Huge, massive truck. Nice, got some tread left on the tires, upgraded tires, power lift gate, excuse me, power steps, not power lift gate. Bose sound system. Gonna have heated seats and cooled seats. Wireless charging, surround camera. There's your electric brake. All-weather floor mat with the carpet insert. Multi-Pro tailgate. Ready to go with fifth wheel. Call me for more information about this truck. My name is Drew. Call me at 931-684-6800.